How you can use Instagram not only on your smartphone, but also on your TV, we'll show you today. Stay tuned. You have an Android TV and want to install Instagram here. We go to the Play Store, and if we now enter Instagram in the search bar, then you will see that this app cannot be found here. Not every app is intended for the TV or programmed or whatever. And that's why you can't find this app here either. So we'll type in Instagram here, and then you'll see that we can't find this app here and can't install it either. So Instagram. We already found it up there. And if we go to the magnifying glass now, you can see a lot of apps here, but the app itself is not available here. How can we install the whole thing now? We go back to the Google Play Store and now download a browser. And with this browser you can install apps via the browser. So our browser is called TV Pro here. And that will appear here in a moment, and we have to download and install it here. Then we can do the whole thing. So TV Pro and click on Install. Then the whole thing is downloaded, and then we have to install the whole thing. So, the program is downloaded. We click on Open. And here first we start using a new engine. And when we have done that, we get our interface, and it looks like this. It's easy to use, but very effective and very, very fast. We go to the search bar and actually only type Instagram and APK. If you're wondering what APK is the file format of Android, that is, the format of an Android app is called APK. And it doesn't matter if it's TV or smartphone or tablet. So we write Instagram here and type APK as a file format here. And then we click on the search. So Instagram APK search. And now we are shown different search results here. I'll take the first one right away, the first website. And click here to accept again. The cookies, of course, otherwise it won't work. And I say here below, latest version. And further down again, download. Now the whole thing is downloaded, and we can then install it. If we click on this arrow here, we will find the download here. Here you can see that it has already been downloaded. We just click on it and confirm that we want to have it installed. So click on it, on the APK file that was downloaded here. Then you have to click on Install. You may receive a notification that you have to allow this. Then click on Allow TV Pro. Now the whole thing is installed. And when the whole thing is installed, we can open the whole thing and sign up. So, all done. We click here on Open. And the well-known window appears. Now we just have to sign up with your or with our access data here. Then we can already use Instagram on our TV. You have questions about this tutorial, use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you are up to date. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.